Hey there everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day and that you have just received some lovely packages like I have. I thought it might be a nice idea to get on and do a little bit of an unboxing or unbagging of my latest Nutiden order, which is their September collection. And I did go a little bit crazy this time. I ordered 3 of the colorways and I will reveal those to you shortly. So I think we'll start with what might be my favorite, the one I'm most excited about right now. And this is the colorway Unalkan. So let's open this baby up. Would you look at that? Let's take some out. Ooh, it's as pretty as I thought it would be. So this is Unalkan. It is a beautiful rose pink. And let's do a color comparison against my watch strap. So this is coral and this is definitely a rose pink. It's lovely. Yes. And it's super soft and squishy. So that's that colorway. And all of these bags are 500 grams per bag. So that should get me a sweater's worth. The next one we'll open is the one in the back because it is also in the pink family, and this color is grir. There we have it. Oop. This is lovely as well. It's kind of a peachy pale pink, and it is interesting because when you see the colors online over Patreon, obviously, you know, because they're in a different color, you kind of get different like ambient light. So here in Australia, this to me looks like a pale pink and almost like a beigey pink. And again, we'll do a comparison against coral. And let's get the Unalkan out as well and put them side by side. Yeah, they're going to work beautifully together. Depending on what I decide to do with them. So it's a whole bag's worth, another 500 grams. And then finally, we have the colorway Pupilin, which I actually got a sample of in my last order, and it was one I had to have. And you'll see why. Look at that color. Look at the color. It is a gorgeous kind of turquoisey gray. And let's take out a plate. Right, here we go. There we go. It kind of gets blown out a little bit in pictures, but it's really pretty. it's not really getting the right kind of exposure, but there we go. If we put all three colours together. Sorry about the shaky camera work. There we go. And that is my haul of the September collection from Nutiden, from Oke. And I'm really pleased with that. So I should have 3 sweaters out of that. A little excessive, but it was kind of an early Christmas present to myself. And yeah, because really there's nothing else in the world that I really want or need right now. So why not treat myself with some beautiful yarn? And if you're wondering what those green tentacle-like things are, they are a knitted octopus that my mum made for my husband for his birthday. Isn't it cool? So thank you for joining me for my Nutiden unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it's inspired you to try out some of this unspun, beautifully soft pre-yarn and give it a go. So lovely. I'm really looking forward to using it. See you next time. Bye.